we have a story from Long Island. Mustafa Yakupoglu, or Poglu, was working at a gas station when two robbers showed up with a 12-gauge shotgun. All right. Well, Yakupoglu did something incredible.
Do you know who where this guy's from?
Is he Turkish?
That's how we roll, man. And the way you pronounce his name is Mustafa Yakupoglu.
Oh, please.
All right, Ibiza. All right, watch this. Watch this. Watch him go to work.
On Wednesday night, tables turned quickly for two would-be armed robbers in Long Island. Gas attendant Mustafa Yakupoglu is seen on surveillance video minding the USA gas station desk when masked men, one carrying a rifle, entered the Elmont store. The quick-thinking Yakupoglu looked startled, but instantaneously grabbed the rifle out of one bandit's hands. The two robbers then ran out the store to escape, but the attendant, with their gun in hand, chased and screamed after them. Yakupoglu wasn't able to catch the thugs, and the police are still looking for the robbery suspects. If you have any information regarding this crime, the police ask you to contact Crime Stoppers at 1-800-244-TIPS. This is Romeo for NYPost.com.
I love that guy.
Okay, my favorite part is when he grabs the gun and he doesn't turn it around. He just carries it like he's going to hit him over the head with it. So he's like, the siktir git lan aşağı. He's like, no. Those moves are so Turkish, I can't begin to describe them to you, okay? Where they point the gun in his face, right? And he's like, what are you doing? He's like, yeah, I'm going to take this, you son of a bitch. And then he chases after him. I was so waiting for the Turkish curses, but he didn't do it. He did it in English, which his accent was awesome. Get out of here, you son of a bitch, or whatever he said. I call police. Yeah, get out of here. Come on, that's how we roll, man. That's how we Turks roll. You don't want to mess with us. You know those other stories we did? You get hit by a truck, we just get right back up. You want to put a 12-gauge shotgun? Okay, we're right back at you. If you're going to come after Mustafa Yakupoglu, you better come correct, son.